QuickStockUp Mascara is marketed as a beauty product that supposedly delivers longer lashes and salon-quality results without the need for extensions. But the real question is it actually special or just another mascara gimmick? Now, to be fair, mascara can genuinely enhance the appearance of your lashes. A good formula can add length, volume, and definition, making the eyes look more noticeable and expressive. What it does well may make lashes appear longer. Most mascaras are designed to coat lashes and create the appearance of added length, could add volume and thickness. A quality formula can help lashes look fuller and more dramatic, where the hype falls apart. It will not actually grow your lashes. This is the biggest issue. Mascara creates a temporary cosmetic effect, not permanent lash enhancement. Results depend heavily on your natural lashes. People with naturally sparse or short lashes may not achieve the dramatic results shown in advertisements. Marketing photos can be misleading. Professional lighting, lash curlers, false lashes, and photo editing often make results appear far more dramatic. So, is QuickStockUp Mascara just another gimmick? Short answer: it may work as a standard mascara, but there is little reason to assume it offers dramatically different results from countless other mascaras on the market. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.